This is the debut video capture software from NCH Software in Australia, makers of computer utilities par excellence. This is a multifunctional piece of software that we're only going to scratch the surface of in this video. We're just going to see how to record from your webcam and then publish that video to YouTube. To bring up your webcam, all you should have to do is start the software and click the button marked device if it's not already selected. Once you've done that, you should see a preview of what your webcam is seeing, as we do here. Before we start recording, we'll just need to make a couple of decisions. One, we'll have to decide what file format we want to record to. If you're working with Windows software, AVI is probably a good choice. It's highly compatible and is quite high in quality. If you're working on files that you're going to use on a Mac, you may want to select MOVs. We'll just leave this at AVI since we're working on a Windows system. It's generally not necessary to change encoder or video options, but we will have to be sure that the software is hearing us. You can tell generally if it is by looking for deflections on this audio meter here. Unfortunately, you can't change your recording source or adjust your levels from within the NCH software. You have to do that, in Windows at least, in the control panel. For instance, you can go to Windows Control Panel and bring up the Sound Control Panel. Go to the Recording tab, and here you can set your default recording input. We are using the webcam microphone. If we wanted to use the other microphone attached to this system, we could just right-click here and set this one as the default device. But the webcam microphone is fine, so I'm just going to leave that where it is. Also, if I wish to adjust levels, I can go again to the Recording tab, click on the microphone that I'm using, and select Properties. Under the Levels tab, I can adjust the input sensitivity for the microphone. Once all that's done, to record, all I have to do is click the big red button. I'm now recording. Everything I say, everything that the webcam sees is now being preserved. I can pause the recording if I wish. And then start it up again. When I'm done with the recording, I can simply press the stop button, and the recording will be saved. The recording is saved by default in your videos library in Windows in a folder labeled Debut. Here's the one we just recorded, as you'll be able to see. I'm now recording. Everything I say, everything the webcam sees is now being. Unfortunately, this webcam recorder does not provide you with an automated way to upload your videos to YouTube. However, it's quite simple to do that yourself manually by logging into your account on YouTube and simply clicking the Upload button near the top of the screen. You'll click on this arrow to select the files to upload, navigate to the appropriate folder, select the file that you wish to upload, and click Open. While the video is processing, you can provide it, and must provide it, with a name, a description, at least one word, and at least one tag. You will also want to publish the video by clicking on the Publish button in the upper right. You can then access the video on YouTube by clicking on the thumbnail. You may at this point want to edit info and settings, and if desired, adjust the security setting for the video to either public or unlisted. It's unlikely that you'll want it to be private because people have to log into YouTube to view private videos, and you can only allow access to a limited number. Public videos obviously can be viewed by anyone and can be searched for in YouTube. Unlisted videos can be viewed by anyone to whom you give the URL and cannot be searched for, so no one can stumble upon them. And that's about all there is to creating and uploading videos to YouTube using the Debut video recorder.